Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Your home changes temperatures with the seasons, and you need a product that can keep up. Enjoy year-round comfort with Lasko's all-season high-velocity hybrid fan and heater in one. With just one product, you can quickly and conveniently manage all your heating and cooling needs. The tower fan features 4 distinct speeds, from low to high velocity, to cool and ventilate any room in the house. With a space heater, enjoy 4 settings from low to turbo heat, which projects heat 40% further. The space heater mode features Lasko's Auto Eco Heater thermostat to maintain your temperature while using less energy. With easy touch sensing controls, widespread oscillation, and an 8-hour timer with 30-minute increments, this product will keep you comfortable year-round, while the elegant design provides a statement in any room. Rest comfortably with a tip-over safety switch and overheat protection for safety reassurance.
down. Lift me up. Now lower me down. Ooh, wow. So shaky, woman. Why are you making that face? I'm not heavy. I'm just fluffy. Like, very fluffy. Wait, why do I even have to do this? I just want to be a puppy, not your gym buddy. Anyway, push-up time. Let's do this. Okay, 1, you can do it. And 2, darn, I can't do it. It's freaking hot. Pause, woman. Blast the AC first. Pause.
All right, buddy, all right. Hey, Google, turn on the AC.
At Best Reviews, our goal is to help you simplify shopping. We take highly rated products and use them how the average person would, so we can test whether or not they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises. Today, we're putting the DeLonghi PACEX390U UV Care portable air conditioner to the test. This UV Care Light model promises to keep your home cool and comfortable while protecting against viruses and bacteria with UVC technology. We tested the powerful 3-in-1 cooling, dehumidifying, and fan unit in an actual home setting to see how it performs. When buying a new air conditioner, it's essential to consider how large the room is you'll be cooling, along with how noisy the machine is. You'll want to know what the device's energy consumption is, and how often you plan on running it, so you can get an idea of average cost of use. The UV Care Light portable air conditioner was able to cool our large area by 10 degrees in around an hour, and had the same impact in smaller rooms in less than 30 minutes. When using this device's cooling mode, you can feel a considerable difference in the temperature in around 10 to 15 minutes. The air was noticeably less stale and less humid after using the device for an hour or so. In terms of cost, this portable AC will run you about $650, making it one of the pricier models out there. But is it worth the price tag? Let's take a look at the pros and cons to find out. First, the pros. The DeLonghi UV Care Light rolls from room to room with ease and has impressive cooling capabilities. The dehumidifier reduces moisture in the air, and the UVC technology protects against viruses and bacteria by killing up to 99.5% of viruses and 96.4% of bacteria, making the air in your home cleaner and more comfortable. This portable air conditioner is considerably quieter than other units of the same size, and its sleek design means it won't be an eyesore if you leave it out in the open. Now let's take a look at the cons. The mounting brackets can be cumbersome and don't fit in every window. The filter chamber on the back can be quite difficult to take off, and although the remote is handy, it can be finicky at times. All in all, the DeLonghi PACEX390 UV Care is an impressive device that excels at keeping your air cool and clean from bacteria and viruses. The price point is high, but the features make the device well worth it if you feel the air quality in your home could be improved.
When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. Serene Life's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with Serene Life's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by Serene Life.